You know, in New York, there's so much stuff in this subway, and people walk past this stuff all the time, and you don't realize it's been here for so long and how many other people have seen the same artwork. I just think it's so cool. So we're in 42nd Street, like right in the Times Square station over by the 1 train, and that's where the majority of these guys are located. This one even has a little dog. Isn't that cute? When it comes to making these kind of videos, I don't like to talk too much because I feel like art is open to its own interpretations and things. But I am curious, did you guys know that this was even in Times Square, or have you even heard of this artwork before? Have you walked right past it and not even noticed it was there? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you watch to the end because there's a brand new mosaic artwork down here, and it was just released last year in 2022. You're gonna want to check that out. That is all actually life-sized art. It's pretty cool. If you like this video and you want to take more walks with me, check out these other videos and I'll see you there.